Hey Campoholic fans, today we're going to talk about the home ice maker, ice machine. We spent about $80 July 4th week on bags of ice, between keeping the stuff in the cooler cold and ice for your drinks in the home, in the camper. So no more of that. I'm not spending $80 on ice anymore. So we bought the home ice maker. It's working great. Stay tuned for more information.
I'm Missy.
I'm Mike.
And we're the Campoholics.
Hey Campoholic fans, today we're going to talk about an ice maker. That's right, no more filling these up, fumbling and jumbling with them, put them in the freezer and taking up freezer space. So Missy got online, did some research, and came up with this as far as the highly recommended one on Amazon. This is the home ice maker. Now this thing takes 4 bottles of water. You dump in 4 bottles of water, the equivalent of 4 bottles of water, into the basin. Pull this little ice tray out, dump in your water to that level right there, and it sucks up the water and puts it on some metal bars that freezes the water in there and drops the cubes. It takes about a 6-minute duration in time for it to make cubes. So hopefully it's going to make some cubes here first so you can see it when we drop it. But no more messing with these little ice trays. Store them in here, taking up space. So now we're making cubes with our ice maker. Put them in plastic bags and just store them in here. Now we have plenty of ice cubes. So let's watch this thing make some cubes and drop them. And while that, let's tell them about what the reviews you had or you looked at for which ones. The Igloo one?
I looked at Igloo. I looked at some other. I know Igloo was one, and then there's one that pops up that Amazon recommends, and they weren't good reviews. They were loud. I'm trying to think what the other reviews were. They were loud. They were bigger. I was looking for the size. Some of them were like almost 15 inches deep and real wide, too wide for. The intention is to put it on the coffee hutch. We just haven't this weekend. We're only here for 2 days.
Yeah, we're only here 2 nights.
And I was looking for one that has refrigerant that keeps the ice cold. None of them are like a freezer. You have to dump the ice. So that's what took so long. I was trying to find one that might actually have a refrigerator part to keep the ice in there frozen, but you have to take it out and put the bags in the freezer. Yeah,
so once it dumps the ice, you will have to take it out, otherwise it'll begin to melt.
Do like 4 dumps before it gets full. Yeah. You can show them the bags in the freezer that we did last
I already
night.
did. But for some reason it says 26 pound, ice maker 26 pound capacity. The owner's manual, which is right here. If I'm missing it, I've read this thing numerous times, but I do not see in here where it interprets the 26 pound capacity. I do not know what that means. So if somebody else knows what that means and want to comment below, that'd be great. But I do not know what the 26 pound capacity means. However, it'll continuously run. You keep water in it and she'll keep putting out ice. So let's see if she's getting ready to drop. Now we got a few more minutes. So when it drops, I'll go ahead and fire up the camera so you can see it in action. And here we go. So it breaks the ice off those prongs. There's your cubes. Scoops them up. dumps them into the bin.
I'd say the first 2 batches, the ice is really thin until those rods get all the refrigerant and coolant in it.
Yeah.
They're a little thin, but I mean, here, we made this drink, what, 15 minutes ago?
Yep. So what was the price on this? Oh my goodness.
$129.
$129 for this thing.
$129.99.
$129.99 on Amazon. Oh, now it's telling us we need more water in there. You can have your choice of small or large cubes. These are the large cubes.
Mm-hmm. Comes
And
with a scoop.
Yep, there's a little ice scoop.
And then this bag I'm full. It's the second time I've wasted a freaking drink.
So it's a good deal.
So it doesn't have enough water to fill that up.
Yep. So right now we got to put more water in it. So again, it takes 4 standard bottles of water. You know, you buy at a convenience store. Just 4 standard bottles of water. 16 ounce bottles. There you go. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, that's what you're trying to say.
4 16-ounce bottles.
I don't have any bottles in here. We can get some.
Yeah. So that's our little video on the home
So far,
ice maker.
now it does say in the directions you can't, like if it's 100 degrees, if people sit them outside, they're probably not going to make as well.
Yeah, there's the information, homeelabs.com. Yeah, homeelabs.com.
So
And
far, so good. Only used it twice.
Amazon for $129, right?
99.
$129.99. The downside to it, it's heavy. It's not light. It does have refrigerant in it.
Heavy means, I don't know, how heavy is it?
I'd say it weighs a good
10 pounds?
10, 12 pounds, yep. And it is too deep in length to fit on the coffee bar here. So you can store it right here, or just stow it out here until you made all your ice and then put it away. All right, so I hope you like this review of the home ice maker. We've been wanting to get one for a while now. It's working out for us so far. We've used it for 2 days now. Hasn't let us down. So all in all, it seems like a good product. So I'll put the link below here on the Amazon link. And please subscribe. Check out our other videos. Ring the bell for future notifications. And every day is once in a lifetime.